Angel Gabriel called a meeting in heaven. All the other angels had flown to meet him, but not the little angel. She had no wings and was always late.
It's a new one, little angel. You're late. I'm sorry. I wish someone would tell me how to get wings. I could go much faster. You must find out by yourself. Angels, I have great news. A very special baby is going to be born in Bethlehem.
Ooh!
He'll be the Son of God, and he'll be called Jesus. This is the child we've been waiting for. We need to visit Mary and Nazareth first. Why? To ask her to say she's going to have a baby, of course. Doesn't she know? Well, not yet. Can I go to Nazareth? No, sorry. It wasn't far for you. Please, I still want to go. But you haven't got wings.
Little Angel was so sad. She felt like crying. Aww.
Poor little angel. If I only had wings, I'd learn how to fly and soar like an angel through clouds in the sky. If I only had wings, I'd shimmer with light and fly with all the angels this cold starless night. Christmas time is coming, cheer up and sing. Time to be happy and welcome the King. Christmas time is coming, cheer up and sing. Time to be happy and welcome the King. If she only had wings, she'd learn how to fly and soar like an angel through clouds in the sky. If she only had wings, she'd shimmer with light and fly with all the angels this cold starless night. And fly with all the angels this cold starless night.
Little Angel was very sad. She was always being left out of things because she couldn't fly.
I wish someone would tell me how to get wings. You must find out by yourself.
Little Angel hung her head and went away sadly. Meanwhile, the angel set out to tell Mary the news.
Who are you? He's the angel Gabriel. I have news for you, Mary. Listen, Mary, don't be scared. You're the chosen one. Listen, Mary, don't be scared. You
and soon it was time for Jesus to be born. The angels were planning to set off for Bethlehem to welcome the new baby. As usual, little Angel was late because she had no wings.
Thanks again!
Little Angel would never be able to keep up with the other angels, so they flew away to Bethlehem, leaving her behind.
Bye-bye, little angel.
Little Angel was so sad, she felt like crying. Aww, poor little Angel. Just then, a white dove flew down beside her.
I'm the dove here. I'm going to Bethlehem too.
I wish I could fly like you.
Don't be that. You might not wait to hear everything.
This cheered little Angel up. As the dove flew away, she had a brave idea.
I know what I'll do. I'll walk to Bethlehem. This is such a long journey. I wish I had wings. Oh look, a donkey is stuck in a middle. Nobody crossed the We can see that he's in May. Please can we make him well again? Little donkey, touch me right. Please be brave, let me try. Little donkey, you're a pain. I will make you well again. We can see that he could turn. Now he feels the way we should. We can see that he is fine. You're a little angel caring kind. She's a little angel caring kind.
Thank you, for helping me. You are my little angel.
I must be going. Goodbye.
The little angel set off once again, and guess who came to collect the donkey? Mary and Joseph!
Hold on, Mary. There's a long road ahead.
Mary and Joseph set off to Bethlehem. Meanwhile, some shepherds are looking after their sheep. While the shepherds were tending to their flock, they were visited by the angels. The shepherds started shaking in fear. The angel said,
Do not be afraid. We come with good news. Can you see the bright star shining, shining in the night? This is what we've been waiting for. Christmas come tonight. Can you see the bright star twinkling, twinkling in the night?
to visit the special child and gift a newborn lamb. But the lamb was nowhere to be seen, so they decided to search for it. Meanwhile, the little angel walks along. Meanwhile, the little angel walks along and suddenly hears a sad cry. It was a newborn lamb who had his foot stuck in a hole, and the little angel told the lamb,
Be brave.
while she helped him.
We can see that he's in pain. Please can you make him well again? Little lamb, hush and cry. Please be brave, let me try. Little lamb, you're in pain. I will make you well again. We can see that he was good. Now he feels the way he should. We can see that he is fine. Good little angel carrying on. She's a little angel carrying on.
The little lamb thanked the angel and said, the little angel set off once again to Bethlehem. Meanwhile, the shepherds come finding the little lamb.
What a miracle! We are a gift for baby Jesus.
In a faraway land, there were some wise men. There were some wise men who noticed a bright star shining in the sky.
Look at the bright star leading to Bethlehem.
Let's follow the star and take gifts for the baby.
I wonder what he will find. I know. Let's each think of a gift. I will bring gold.
I will bring myrrh.
I will bring frankincense.
Things are traveling from the east, coming from afar. Searching for the
angel came walking along. Suddenly, she heard a very sad cry. It was the dove she had met earlier. She could see the little dove was hurt. She told the dove to be brave while she helped. Flew around, she noticed 3 wise men and a camel looking very distressed.
What's wrong? I fell on cactus and I got hurt. Thank you. Now I can go to Bethlehem.
Oh, town is walking again. Oh, we can go to Bethlehem now.
Yes.
Soon, everyone began to enter the stable.
Baby Jesus, gently singing, hush now, sleep tight. Baby Jesus, gently sleeping on this Christmas night. Baby Jesus, in an angel, starlight the sky. Baby Jesus, in a manger, sing a lullaby. Shepherds kneel before Him, as the angels sing. 3 kings come to find Him, precious gifts to Him they bring. Baby Jesus, gently sleeping, hush now, sleep tight. Baby Jesus, gently sleeping on this Christmas night. Baby Jesus, in a manger, starlight the sky. Baby Jesus, in a manger, sing a lullaby. Sing a lullaby. Sing a
Since everyone's at the stable, who do you think was the last one to arrive?
She's the one who gave us a flight.
She's a little angel.
She's a little angel.
the little angel to come inside the stable. The little angel entered the stable and saw baby Jesus. She had a very special gift for him. Can you guess what the gift was?
The gift of love.
As the little angel knelt down beside the baby, can you guess what happened next? Ooh, can we guess what happened next? She got her wings! The little angel finally got her wings. Played by Stanley, Even and Naveen. And our wise men were played by Vincent, John and Deepa. Can we have a round of applause? And then a camel played by Lydia. And finally, Mary and Joseph played by Anson and Olivia. And our very special baby Jesus played by our very own baby Pearl. Let's give them a